Hi friends, I hope this video finds you doing well. Today I want to share with you 3 home loan tips that if you're a first-time home buyer, you must inquire about when you're ready to purchase a home. When first-time home buyers come to us, they normally ask us about mortgage rates, but specifically around 30-year fixed rate mortgages. And I've read numerous studies, numerous surveys that show that first-time home buyers usually keep their first home here in Florida for 5 years, 7 years, even 9 years. And so it doesn't make sense for you as a first-time home buyer in most cases to get a 30-year fixed rate mortgage. Okay, if we're looking to pay the least amount of interest on the home that we're buying, not necessarily the lowest monthly mortgage payment, but the lowest cost, the lowest amount of interest, then instead of looking at a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, inquire about a 25-year fixed rate mortgage. So that's the first thing. The second thing that I want to share with you that you need to inquire about, if first-time home buyers indeed only live in the home for 5 years, 7 years, or 9 years until they move up because either their family is growing or they need more space into their next home, is to take a look or inquire about adjustable rate mortgages. Adjustable rate mortgages have options where the mortgage is fixed for 5 years, for 7 years, for even 10 years. And these interest rates tend to be lower than your 30-year fixed rate mortgage. So that's the second thing that I want you to inquire about. And then the third thing that I want you to inquire about, if you're a first-time home buyer looking to save the least amount of interest, is to ask your mortgage professional about a 15-day rate lock or a 20-day rate lock instead of what you might be receiving, which is a 30-day rate lock or a 45-day rate lock, period. The 45-day rate lock period, which is 45 days that your interest rate will be locked for once it's locked, tends to be more expensive. There's a greater cost in comparison to if you did a 20-day rate lock or a 15-day rate lock. So just as a recap, if you're a first-time home buyer looking to pay the least amount of interest on the home that you're buying, I want you to inquire about these 3 things. Look into a 25-year mortgage because the interest rates tend to be lower than a 30-year fixed. I want you to take a look at adjustable rate mortgages that are fixed for maybe 5 years, 7 years, or 10 years. And I want you to ask about, whoever you're working with, a 15-day rate lock instead of a 30-day rate lock or a 45-day rate lock. And with those 3 options that are available to you as a person, a first-time home buyer purchasing a home, you're going to find that you can probably save a fair amount of money that then you can keep in your savings account, your retirement account. If you have student loans, you can pay those student loans down. And we're committed to keeping more money in your pocket and making your future brighter. My name is Edgar De Jesus. I happen to be the branch manager and mortgage advisor of Treasure Coast Home Loans. My team and I would love the opportunity to help you, lead you, and guide you. If you're a first-time home buyer, or if you're purchasing a second home or maybe an investment property. Thanks so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video, and make it a great day.